so. But,
Green,
here we go.
Green flag waves at the back of the grid. The Union flag is held aloft. Joe Colasoco rolling a fraction, but no jump start. Good getaway from Andy Middlehurst and Timothy.
So, no, it's really nice to be back, and it's really nice that it's all been filmed and things tonight for the van, for the BBC van.
It's a former BBC television outside broadcast vehicle. No longer roadworthy, it's been sitting for several years on a driveway in Canada.
Can we start with putting on the Ritz? We're working very hard on it.
Kane.
It's going to be a sixth win in this race for Andy Middlehurst.
What a record for the classic Team Lotus. Lotus 25 and Andy Middlehurst. Victory in the Glover Trophy.
I think it's been a really great experience and I've enjoyed every minute of it.
What I love about this experience is that we're working with professionals that are in the industry or have been working in the industry.
The whole object of this exercise is to help promote the van that I was senior cameraman on in 1964.
And of course the technology that you have nowadays far exceeds what we had available in the 1960s.
My unit, MCR21, were at Wembley for all the England matches.
Some people are on the pitch, they think it's all over. It is now.
All those engineers we've got in the building getting so excited over that film.
I know.
I've never seen them like that in anything we put out.
Oh, heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak. Oh, and I seem to find that happiness I seek. Oh, when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, heaven, I'm in heaven, and the cares that hung around me through the week, they will just vanish like a gambler's lucky streak. Oh, my, oh, when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, I'd love to climb a mountain and to reach the highest peak. But the one from me half as much as dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, I'd love to go out swimming in a river or a creek. But the one from me half as much as dancing cheek to cheek. Come out and dance with me. I want my arms about you. Oh, those charms about you, they would just carry me to heaven. Oh, I'm in heaven. And the cares that hung around me through the week, they will just vanish like a gambler's lucky streak. Oh, when we're out together dancing cheek to cheek.